celebrating Victory Joy School 10th year anniversary. It's your pretty Liz Oluwatomisi on your favorite TV show, EAS TV.
I'm feeling good, I'm feeling excited, I'm so happy. Today is one of the best days in my life.
Come on, give it up, give it up. Yes, yes, give it up, give it up. He's had a lot of voice, there's a lot of noise, let's go. Have a lover. Who love by you? Oh yes, sir. I see the sisters in the face of people. If you defend you, I'm putting your wiper.
What was the experience with them? Wow, my experience. Wow, that's what I would say.
And God will lift you as a celebrator. Please put your hands together for her. I want to do. And here, it's an musical interlude time where we can, feel the ground. We want to dance and dance all just for 2-3 minutes. And I will be calling names to come out to dance with our mother, with the celebrant of the day. DJ, are you ready? Yes, let's go.
Yes, especially the proprietor. The proprietor is my lecturer, and is my colleague in the security aspect because I'm a military person.
Okay.
So he taught me criminology. So he's a woman of substance, a woman like a man.